Hi, welcome to ProTech. This is my first video and I hope you enjoy everything I'm about to share with you. Today's video is on how to do assignments without copying word for word. I am not trying to encourage laziness, but let's be realistic here. Sometimes there isn't enough time to read and understand and then rewrite answers in your own words. Let's begin. Search for quillbot.com in the address bar of a web browser. We have it here. Quillbot.com is a paraphrasing tool. Now, a paraphrasing tool is a tool that quickly changes sentences, either completely or partially, into synonymous sentences. Okay, and Quillbot is just one of many. So let's say you've been given a question like explain cooking. Just visit google.com, type the question in the search bar. So type in it here, explain cooking. So click on a reliable link. Okay, I'll click on this link. So from here you can highlight what you need, just like this, then copy it, go back to Quillbot, click here and then paste. Now Quillbot has a character limit of 400 and you can increase that by logging in or signing up to get up to 700 characters, or you can get the premium version to get up to 10,000 characters, but that one you have to pay for it. So click on paraphrase to change your text to something else, something synonymous. Okay, it has changed it slightly. You can click on rephrase to change the text again. You can increase this to increase the density of synonyms in your text. But it's good to leave it at this level. That will make it more accurate. So now you can open up your word processor. Just open a word processor. I'll use Microsoft Word over here. Go back to Quillbot, copy your paraphrased text and paste it. So from here you can make changes, you can edit the text, add anything you want to add, and there you're good to go. You can easily visit Quillbot through the link in the description below. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to be notified anytime a new video is released. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.